In the beginning, you need to know that from time to time you need to pay serious attention to your mattress. That is why in this video we will present to you with this DIY cleaning method that will surely help you improve your sleep. This method is completely natural and very cheap. This means that you can get rid of all the expensive concoction and harsh chemicals. For this easy method, all you need is a baking soda. In order to soothe your sleep, you can add some essential oils if you want to. Now, to be honest, how often do you clean your mattress? If it has been a while since you have cleaned your mattress, then you need to do it immediately. You will be amazed by how much dirt there is in your mattress. Most of us still refuse to admit that the mattress that we sleep on is the perfect environment for dirt and germs to thrive. Many of you probably do not want to think about that. Whatever the reasons are, it is very important for you to remember that you must clean your mattress occasionally. Many people think that washing and changing the bed sheets on a regular basis is enough to protect themselves. However, the truth is that washing the bed sheets does not help you enough because eventually, it is your mattress that is the source of dirt. What we are trying to say is that all the dust, dirt particles, sweat, and body fluids end up in the mattress. At this point, you also need to know that it takes some time for the mattress to become dirty. On the other hand, the truth is that most people hardly clean their mattresses. How to clean a mattress? First, you need to vacuum your mattress thoroughly and sprinkle it with some baking soda. You should know that the vacuuming removes all the dust while the baking soda destroys all the bacteria. Once you are done, you can spray the mattress with a solution made of water and a few drops of essential oil. This is a very simple and yet very effective technique that will disinfect your mattress and protect you from the nasty bacteria. That is why it is very important that you share this video with your family and friends. Maybe you will help someone in need.